Hi folks, and welcome to MDC Masterclass. In this one, I want to explain to you how third-party warranty repairs work in the MDC system. With any warranty, your first step is to contact customer service. You need to get on the internet, go to our website, and log a warranty claim on the warranty portal. If you don't have a computer and internet available, you can contact the team on 1300 494 494. Getting your warranty lodged is the very first step. From there may be instances where your trailer can be repaired at an MDC branch if we have those facilities available. But because our customers travel Australia far and wide, quite often we're using third-party companies to do the repairs for us. It's important that with every third-party warranty repair that MDC has a quote, and the quote is approved by MDC before any work goes ahead. That's very important. So if we ask you to grab local quotes, go get the quotes, get them to us quickly, and the customer service team can get on the job about getting that work approved and getting you on the road as quick as possible. We will sometimes send you to a specific repairer who will then price direct to us, and then we can go through the system and either approve or not approve the quote, and perhaps go to a second repairer if we find that their price isn't reasonable. But most important, the thing you must know, do not get work done without first getting approval on the quote from MDC. Hopefully that information will clear up the third-party warranty repairs for you, and you can get on the road quicker.